Hi there, my name is Sara Harrison and I'm a certified holistic health coach. I strongly believe in a more natural approach in the way that we live our lives. After raising my awareness and getting rid of some of the more common products that as women use, whether it could be from body creams, beauty products, makeups, cleaning products, all of that sort of stuff that is has a toxic overload, I've gotten rid of a lot of that and I make a lot of it myself, and I feel it's incredible how much of a difference. I feel so much more health and vitality, and it shines in every area of my life. I'm just so blessed that I've found this path, and I love sharing it with people. So I'd like to invite you this Thursday on May 10th from 6:30 to 8:30 at Donata's house. We will be having a fun night where I'll be sharing what essential oils are, the benefits of them, why they work so well with our bodies, and then we will have a fun night where we'll be making products ourselves. We will be making 3 products. The first one is a natural bug repellent. This one I've made the last 2 summers. This will be my 3rd summer making it. I love it. It smells delicious. People are always asking me what I'm wearing, and I'm like, it's bug spray. And it actually works. It's very light and it doesn't make you feel all sticky and congested, and it's actually safe for adults and kids. And the main ingredient in off, the most common bug spray that we use, is DEET. And that has had a lot of articles come out on how it can be very harmful when overused. It can have issues that involve our brain and nervous system, so that is not anything that I want to play around with. And considering how bad Alberta can get with mosquitoes, that's definitely something that I don't want to overload myself with. The second one we will be making is an after sun soothing spray. Those days you're out in the sun, you're having fun, and you come home and you're feeling flushed, maybe you get a little bit burned. This soothing spray is so nice. I won't tell you the ingredients of any of this yet. That's the excitement about wanting to come, but it just makes you feel a lot more refreshed and cooled, and it gives you that sensation of just like you're not feeling that heat. Like a lot of times after the sun you feel so drained, and it's hard to kind of enjoy your night, or you just want to sleep. And I mean, it's all good. Summer's awesome, but this is a really good addition to making your summer a little bit easier and more enjoyable. The third thing that we will be making is a detoxing body scrub. I love body scrubs. I'm gonna bring a sugar base and a salt base, so it's gonna be your preference on whatever it is that you choose. So what's nice about a detoxing body scrub is there is a whole whack of ingredients, but what it's going to do is it's going to start cleansing our body from the outside in, and it's going to start getting our lymphatic system ready to just shed away some stuff from the winter and everything. And also there's a lot of stuff that we put on our bodies ourselves willingly, but there's a lot of things in the air and our water that we are ingesting without even meaning to or knowing about. So body scrubs are amazing. You use that in the shower and then you rinse it off, bath, whatever, it's up to you. But yeah, I really can't wait to meet all of you. If you're important to Donata, you'll be important to me. She's a lovely lady. And yeah, so this Thursday at 6:30 to 8:30, I hope to see you there.